In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept manual payments on Wix website. By the end, you'll have an offline payment option ready for customers who prefer bank transfer, cash on delivery, in-person payments, or other non-card methods. Start in the Wix editor, open your site, and click the plus icon on the left panel to add a new element. Choose button from the menu. Pick a style that matches your branding, then drag and drop the button onto your page. Place it where it makes the most sense for shoppers, like near your product section or checkout flow. Give the button a clear label so visitors immediately understand what it does. You can always adjust the design, size, and alignment so it stands out without overwhelming the page. Next, set up the offline payment option. Open your payment settings by selecting Manage Payment Methods. This takes you to the area where you control how customers can pay on your site. Look for the Manual Payments option and select it. Manual payments are perfect when you want to accept funds outside of Wix's online processors. Think direct bank deposit, cash, check, or local mobile wallet methods available in your region. Click Connect to enable manual payments. You'll see a field where you can provide instructions that appear to customers at checkout. Type clear, step-by-step guidance on exactly how they should pay. For example, specify the method you accept, any account or payee details they need, what reference to use so you can match their payment to the order, the time window. You'll hold items before canceling unpaid orders, and how you'll confirm once the payment is received. Keep this concise, professional, and easy to follow. If you serve multiple regions or methods, structure the instructions so customers can quickly find the part that applies to them. When your instructions are ready, click Connect to save and turn the option on. From now on, customers will see the manual payment choice at checkout alongside any online methods you already offer. Orders placed with manual payments typically appear as pending until you receive and verify the funds. It's a good practice to review incoming orders promptly, communicate expected processing times, and update order statuses so customers know what to expect. That's it. You added a clear call to action with a button, enabled manual payments, and wrote customer-friendly instructions that reduce confusion and speed up fulfillment. Thanks for watching and happy building.